Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach. Whoa, okay, it's arms here. I almost said, actually, I don't know why. Anyways, now I'm going to talk about, what's her name, Mackenzie Ziegler, or Maxie. As far as her music career goes, I love her. She, only for 10-year-old, she has an amazing voice, and, I love her music videos. I love her music video to It's a Girl Party. Literally, I couldn't wait until it came out. And then Shine, when Shine came out, a few days before the music video came out, I kind of had this idea that I think it would be amazing if Mackenzie did a little solo to it at a dance competition, and they could do something to featuring Maddie, or if she ever made a music video to it, Maddie could be a part in it as a shadow that Mackenzie's living in, which I believe was a big part of the show, but I still love Maddie too. But that was a few days before the music video came out, and when it came out, I was like, I was right, because I was right on the money about how it came out. And then for Christmas All Year Long, I just fell in love with that song. When I heard it came out, I was so excited, and the day after the music video came out, and I was like, oh my god, I could not believe it. And the music video turned out fabulous, and it makes me so happy, and I had to either listen or watch the music video once a day, or sometimes I'll be a little cranky, but it's definitely my #1 Christmas song for the year. And as far as her dancing goes, she's matured a lot. My favorite solo of hers is, I liked her version of Cry better than Maddie. No offense to Maddie, because I know she's an original dancer, but I kind of liked how Mackenzie did Cry, because I think she has more of that emotion, how she can kind of relate to it, and when I found out she did Cry, I was like, you don't know how excited I was. I was like, oh my god, I was so super duper excited about it. And also, and one of her favorite solos that her sister hasn't done is I'll have to think about it. I'm not really sure what my favorite solo of hers is right now. It's either, actually no, that's not true. It's actually either Lemonade, or I'm not sure if it's called Honeybee or Killer Bee. I think it was Honeybee, but it might be Killer Bee. But she did it, and she did it way better than Vivian. But I think it was called Honeybee, but Abby Lee said it was more like she's a killer bee or whatever. And I liked all of those, and I think she's trying to grow out her sister's shadow, and it's been said that she likes singing better than dancing because she's not compared to Maddie, and it's true, she is compared to Maddie, and I think they should definitely stop. I mean, even her mother has said, I hope one day, when Maddie was dancing, she says, I hope one day Mackenzie can become a dancer like that, and it's just not fair to live in someone's shadow. I know from experience. I've lived in my cousin's shadows for years, and I sing also because that's one thing she's never done, and I know how Mackenzie feels, and it's awful. Even when it's someone younger than you, not that that's happened to Mackenzie, but I have been compared to somebody who is younger than me, their cousin, and it's just terrible to be compared in any way, shape, or form. I hope Mackenzie does good in her singing career. I don't really call her Maxie as much because I got so used to calling her Mackenzie over the years from season 1, and now season 5 is coming, so I will probably never call her Maxie. I'll probably always call her Mackenzie. And if you guys like Mackenzie or Maxie, whatever you call her, tell me why below in the comments and tell me what you think of her new Christmas song, because I think it's so amazing and it's so cute. And if you haven't checked out the music video yet, go check it out because it's so cute. I actually showed it to my mother the other day, and she's not a Dance Moms watcher with me, or she doesn't really listen when I tell her about Dance Moms, and I played the song for her, and then she said she really liked the song and played the music video, and she thought Mackenzie was the cutest thing ever. So, you see, you can show anybody something from Dance Moms, and they might find something that they like about it, or whatever. Alright? So, hope to look at you. Peace out, guys.